Thanks so much for joining us for our second episode of Power Apps in a Snap. So remember, this is a dummy style tutorial where I am the dummy and I have my colleague John here joining me, who's going to be teaching me how to create my first Power App on Microsoft Power Apps on the Power Platform. So, hey John, how's it going?
Hi, it's going great.
Good. So this is our second episode. As I mentioned in the first episode, you can see John already taught me how to create my first screen. So just a reminder here, as we're going to start, that the tweak here is that we now have a 10-minute countdown clock. So everything that we do has to be in under 10 minutes. So our screen that you see, we built that in under 10 minutes. That's how easy the Power Platform is. So we're going to keep creating our app to schedule workspace at an office. And I believe John's going to teach me how to create more screens. So are you ready to get started?
Yes, let's do it.
Perfect. Let's go. All right. First step.
So to start, just a disclaimer. In the last video, we connected to an Excel data structure, but we will be using a SharePoint data structure. We haven't done anything to them, so it won't change anything we have done in the first video. And there will be literally no changes. If you want to use Excel, you can. If you want to use SharePoint, you can.
Okay, so there's no worries on each one you use.
Exactly.
Perfect.
So,
thanks for sharing that.
First step, we're going to create our second screen. So you can just click that plus button on the new screen.
Okay.
Yes. And blank screen. Now, there are some things that we can just carry over from the first screen that we can just copy and paste. So go back to your first screen, just click it.
Okay.
Yep. And now hold Control and we're going to select some of those things. So select the image, so the background, we can carry that over. Select that label 1, and the rectangle 1.
Rectangle 1. Okay.
Yeah, we can carry those over. So just press Control C, press your screen 2 and Control V. And we already got that done. Now,
perfect. That was easy.
Yes. Second step, it's going to be to insert our edit form. It's where we're going to put our information to schedule the Office workspace. So click Insert on the top.
Oh, at the top. Okay.
Yeah. And edit form.
Okay.
Now just put it a bit to the center. Yeah, that's great. Now to your right side, we're going to connect it to a data source. Right now it says none. Click on that. Yes, and choose scheduling.
Oh. So it's connecting to the SharePoint list. Oh, wow.
Exactly.
Wow. Look at that.
Already got a lot of information. But we don't need all of that information because SharePoint brings up more than we actually need. So we're going to edit those fields. So click on Edit Fields.
Okay.
And title, click on Title. We're going to remove that.
Over here?
3 dots, yes. And remove. Okay. And same thing for attachments.
Okay. Great.
And just to make it better, just click on Person Email. And we're going to bring it to the top on the 3 dots.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, move up and do it again.
Perfect.
Now, next thing, we don't need it to be 3 columns. We're just going to make it 1 column. So on your right side where it says columns and 3, yeah, just make it 1.
1 column, got it. Oh, I like that. That looks way better.
Right?
Okay.
Now, next thing, it's not very easy to see it. So we're just going to put some white space on the background so we can better see the form. So just click on Insert on the top.
Oh, up here?
Yes. And a rectangle.
Okay.
Just stretch it Yeah, right. Yeah, that's good. Let's change that color to white just to make it better. Now, on your left side, you see that rectangle 3 is already selected. That's the rectangle that you just created. You're going to click on those 3 dots, and you're going to send it to the background. So reorder.
Oh, reorder.
And send to back. Yep. That's great. I can better visualize it. Now, next step is we're going to create a button so we can send the information that we put in when we eventually put that in. So you're going to insert again.
Okay.
And button.
Button. All right.
Yes. Now bring that
Move it down.
Yeah. Make it big too. Yeah. And just change that name in the right side where it says text. Change the name to something like send.
Submit.
Or submit, yes, that's good. Now we're going to be connecting the first screen to the second one. So when we go back to the first screen.
There.
Yeah, great. So now we can go back to the first screen to connect it to the second one.
Right.
Yeah, click there. And click on Create New Schedule. Now, you see where it says on select and then it says false on the top?
Here?
Yes. So we're going to change that to, so you can select that and delete it.
Okay.
And we're going to change it to navigate, so a capital N. Yes. You can click that one. Yeah, open parentheses, and then you're going to write screen 2. That's the name of our second screen.
Screen 2, okay.
Yes, and then close the parentheses.
Okay.
That time, whenever you click that Create New Schedule, it's going to take you to the second screen.
Oh, okay.
But that's not all, because what we're doing is we're creating a form. So, other than doing that, we also need to create a new form every time you go to the second screen. So, you're going to put industrial E.
What is that?
Or it's just that E, but like a symbol E, you know?
No.
Well, you can put semicolon too. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Go to the next line.
Okay.
And you're going to write new, capital N, form. Yeah, right there, new form. And you're going to write form 1, which is the name of the form in the second screen. Form 1. Close that.
Okay.
Great. Now, every time you click Create New Schedule, you're going to be directed to the second screen. And in the second screen, we're going to have a form ready to be filled. Now you can go back to the second screen now. Now, if you want to go back, you need to be able to do that too. So we can insert an icon and put it to go back. So navigate to the first screen. So just go to icons.
Okay.
Just go down to a back arrow right there.
Oh, can I change the color? Make it white?
You can.
Is that how I do it here?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's not what I wanted, but okay. It works, whatever. I wanted the thing itself to be white.
Oh, I see. Well, you can do that too.
There we go. Sure.
There, yes.
All right.
And then click on that icon.
Okay.
And where it says false, you're going to change that to a navigate screen 1.
Navigate.
Open parentheses.
Open parentheses. Screen
1. And close parentheses.
Perfect.
Great.
Can we test
now,
it?
You have both screens and you can navigate between both of them.
Wow. And we've done all of that in under 9 minutes. That's incredible. Can we test it to see?
Yes. So you can hold Alt and you can click as if it's an actually working app.
Wow, that's a cool little trick.
Yes.
Look at that. So easy. I'm really impressed. It's really incredible, like how fast and easy it is, and pretty like user friendly. Like I'm getting more comfortable like seeing, you know, the buttons and everything, and kind of like some self-explanatory. So I love this. I'm learning so much. So thank you so much for teaching me how to create a new screen for our office space scheduling app. We're going to have to wrap it here because our time is running out. But join us for our next episode, where we're just going to keep developing this app until we finally get a fully functioning Power App. And thanks for joining us for Power Apps in a Snap. And thanks, John, for all of your help.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Join us next time.